Hey everyone, welcome back to Whiteout HQ. It's your host, Ice Shadow, and today I'm going to show you how to redeem Whiteout Survival Gift Codes on iOS devices like your iPhone and iPad. Now, if you've tried going to Alliance and Settings, you might have noticed there's no gift code tab like on Android. That's because on iOS, we've got to use a different method. But don't worry, I've got you covered. First things first, let me quickly grab my player ID from the game. Got it? Awesome. Now, let's head back to Whiteout HQ. In the Gift Code tab, you'll always find the latest codes to redeem, plus a quick guide and a link to get started. Go ahead and click that link. When you're on the redemption page, just paste your player ID that you copied earlier and hit Login. You should see your player name and profile pic pop up. Easy as that. Next, take the latest gift code from our website, paste it in and click Confirm. You'll see a pop-up saying, Redeemed, please claim the rewards in your mail. Now, just jump back into the game, hit up your mail, and you'll see a message called Gift Code Rewards. Tap Claim and you're good to go. And that's it, folks. Be sure to bookmark this page so you'll always have the latest codes ready to go in the future. I hope this video helped you out. You watched it here on Whiteout HQ, and I'm Ice Shadow. See you next time.